Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Let's look at today's top medical news. Vitamin D slashes colorectal cancer risk by 58%, study finds. A recent study published in the journal Nutrients has revealed that adequate intake of vitamin D may reduce the risk of developing colorectal cancer by up to 58%. This significant finding adds to growing evidence suggesting that vitamin D, known primarily for its role in bone health and immune function, also plays a crucial role in cancer prevention. Colorectal cancer, which includes both colon and rectal cancer, remains one of the most common types of cancer worldwide. Researchers have increasingly turned their attention to nutritional factors in cancer prevention, with vitamin D emerging as a leading candidate due to its widespread effects on immunity and inflammation. Can managing emotions reduce chronic pain? A new study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, Network Open has shown that enhancing one's ability to manage emotions can significantly reduce chronic pain and improve mental health. The 6-month trial, led by researchers from the University of New South Wales and Neuroscience Research Australia, found that behavior therapy targeting emotional regulation led to sustained pain relief and reduced depression symptoms. Chronic pain, defined as persistent pain lasting more than 3 months after an injury has healed, affects roughly 1/3 of the global population. In the trial, 90 participants with chronic pain engaged in 8 online group therapy sessions designed to help them manage their emotions more effectively. The therapy focused on reducing negative emotions like anger and anxiety while enhancing positive feelings. Participants also used a handbook and a mobile app for self-guided learning. Study shows how shingles vaccine may also protect your heart. People who are given a vaccine for shingles have a 23% lower risk of cardiovascular events, including stroke, heart failure, and coronary heart disease, according to a study of more than 1 million people published in the European Heart Journal. The protective effect of the vaccine lasts for up to 8 years and is particularly pronounced for men, people under the age of 60, and those with unhealthy lifestyles, such as smoking, drinking alcohol, and being inactive. The study included 1,271,922 people aged 50 or older living in South Korea. Researchers gathered data from 2012 onwards on whether people received a shingle vaccine and combined this with data on their cardiovascular health and data on other factors that can influence health, such as age, sex, wealth, and lifestyle. The vaccine was a live zoster vaccine, meaning it contained the weakened form of the varicella zoster virus that causes shingles. In many countries, this type of vaccine is now being replaced with a non-live, recombinant vaccine, meaning it contains a protein from the varicella zoster virus.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.